Vicks VapoRub is a classic over-the-counter topical cough suppressant that's most commonly used to reduce the symptoms of a cold and can also relieve sore muscles and joints. Applying Vicks VapoRub is easy, but it's important that you know where to apply it. It should also be noted that VapoRub doesn't actually cure a cold or flu, and you should seek medical attention if your cold symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks. 1. Cough suppressant. Rub a dollop of VapoRub in the palms of your hands. Scoop a dime-sized portion of VapoRub into one of your hands. Then, rub both of your hands together to spread them over your palms. 2. Apply the VapoRub to your chest and neck. Massage the VapoRub deep into your skin, covering the entire area. Continue rubbing the VapoRub until there's a thin layer over your skin. Keep the clothing around your neck and chest loose. Keeping your clothes loose will allow the vapors to better reach your nose and mouth. 3. Reapply the VapoRub up to 3 times a day. As the VapoRub gets rubbed off throughout the day, you can reapply it. To avoid skin irritation, spread applications several hours apart. VapoRub should never be used on children younger than 2 years of age. 4. Don't apply VapoRub under your nose. VapoRub contains a chemical called camphor that can be toxic if absorbed through your mucous membranes or if ingested. 5. VapoRub for muscle and joint soreness. Rub a layer of VapoRub into the palm of your hands. Scoop up a coin-sized dollop of VapoRub into your hand and then rub your hands together. Spread an even layer of the product onto your palms. Rub your hands over the sore muscle. Take notice of any soreness you have and identify the exact muscle or joint that's painful. VapoRub's heating sensation may relieve the pain. 6. Repeat the application process 3 to 4 times a day. As the VapoRub gets rubbed away from your clothing or evaporates, reapply the cream to the sore muscle. Spread applications over several hours and don't exceed 3 to 4 applications per day, or you may cause skin irritation.